Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, allow me here I will introduce you about myself. My name is Amina Faza. I came from PBI 2 with name 22210106002. Here I am going to explain you about a podcast I have heard for final exam of extensive listening, and the title is Take Charge of Your Life to Create Your Future. And then the research of this podcast, you can click on the link below. Now I will tell you about my reason in choosing this podcast. I choose this podcast because I think this podcast contains and talk about how we can change and then how we can take charge of our life to become the life what we dream of. In addition, this podcast talk about how we cannot continue to follow another people say and what to do with our life. We can't do anything in our life because this is our life. We are the creators of our life, but no harming others. We can refuse because our life is our own. Podcast also relate in our daily because this podcast tells about how to change life, how to achieve life goals, how to place yourself in the outside world, how to create a dream life, and how to take charge of your own life, change it and mold it into whatever you want it to be. And this podcast also tells us about how we take control of our life to create the future. We are the creators of this. We are the creators of our narrative in our life world. If we stop and do nothing in our life, then our life is so meaningful. And our career is largely based on our habit and the way we live our daily life. We need to be able to escape our shadow, that haunts us and start to target and achieve our goal and desires in our life also. And then now I will give you my opinion about how listening podcasts to the research of extensive listening also. I think with the listening podcast we can improve our vocabulary because from listening podcast we found a new vocabulary. And then with the listening podcast also we can learn how to focus, how struggle for listening the podcast, the audio or the Spotify also. And then with the listening podcast also we can learn how to compose the word, how to compose the sentence by correct from it. And then the last one is I will share to you about my problem and then about my strategy to face it. The first is my problem in extensive listening. Of course, on this podcast, my problem is I lack of vocabularies that make me a little difficult for understanding the word or the sentence. And then I lose focus of listening the podcast because the podcast so fast, a little fast for listening. Maybe for me, a beginner. And then my strategy to face it is also focus on listening, and in listening focus and then struggle to learn more, improve my vocabularies also. And then maybe that's all from me. Maybe that can I explain to you, I share to you, I ask pardon to you all if you found many mistake for my explaining. And then for my tellings, I ask pardon to you all if you found many mistakes from me. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys, bye bye.